I think this is object data properties. That has the mesh data block name. Now it's the object with alt D. This is how there is two next to the mesh data. They're going to use the same data. Oh, like with the materials. Same thing when you reuse a material, it has the number next to it. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, cute. Right, we have ads. Let's wait. Cube 45. You want to name that? You can rename it. Door frame. Oh. There you go. All right, let's add the door handle. So the way we're gonna do it is just a circle. No, it's a sphere. We need a sphere. We don't need to be it. Do we want a door knob or a door handle? A good rule, you want to rename those? Yep. Yeah, there are also data blocks. Oh, everything is a data block. Everything is a data block. And instantiation means you share data block. I see. Okay, are we doing door knobs or door handles? Knobs will be easier to animate because all we will have to do is to animate the hand and rotate the hand. With the door knob is more grab it and pull it down. Whatever. We can change it always. Look at this. This is a doorknob. Let's just make it much smaller. Okay, maybe not that small. Whatever. We're gonna change it later. And good. Wait. Bring it up to 91. Now let's rotate you 90 like that. And doorknob. Well, you're kind of inside the door. Let's scale you. No. S on the Y and X like that. Oop. Oh. Good enough. Good enough. Whatever. That's very small. Came out to be very small. Okay, fuck it. That's a doorknob. There you go. Oh, we need it on both sides. God damn it. These are more involved. If you dive into blend file structure and it lists data block and block, then suddenly reusing a pin or linking a double from other blend files makes so much sense. Interesting. I will look into that to understand it more. Good enough. All right, fine. Okay. Now let's grab you. Oh, actually, there's one more thing we need to add here. We need to add the Boolean block. The Boolean. Oh, actually, let's first plop it here. So I want you to snap to the edge center. That's not how I want you to snap. Why are you snapping like that? If your pivot. Why are you snapping like this? That's not what I want. Oh, we need center, probably. I will get it here. Edge center. There you go. There we go. There we go. All right. Let's then bring it down. There you go. Okay. So now we need a boolean to cut out the hole in the wall, because right now the wall is just a box. So the way we're gonna do that is by grabbing this door. Actually, no, grabbing the door itself. Give me the door. Grabbing the door itself, duplicating it. We'll rename this to be door bool. Change that. Grab this. Delete the doorknobs. We don't need them. Grab the door. Scale it on the Y. Just doesn't matter how big it is. Just needs to be bigger than the wall. Go to the wall. Give it a Boolean modifier. Quicker and cleaner to add 3 loops. Okay, so that's the, here's a question for you. Is it like yesterday I was Googling it actually how better to do doors in Blender. So the answer I got was to use the Boolean modifier. But you're saying it's better to give the door 2 cuts. To give it like 2 cuts like this and like stop it like that, and then just align these cuts with the door and delete the faces. That's better. That's what I did with this. We just can mess up mesh something real bad. Okay. Because that's what I did with. Yeah. I just yeah, that's what I did here. You see, I used the Boolean. It seems to work pretty well. Yeah, add loops while vert snapping. Yeah. Oh, I can do that. Let's try it again. So while vert snapping. Vertex. For flat wall is probably fine. Okay. I'm gonna use a Boolean then. But I would not use it since it's I should do it manually and safer, cleaner. Okay, then I'm not gonna use it. Okay, let's remove that. And let's do it properly. So add a loop, right? Snap. So I wanted to snap to this. Oh, look at that. Nope. Snap. Come on. Stop moving around. There you go. Snap. For complex Boolean cuts, I would expect to have spent 10 times longer to clean things. Okay. And now, wait, how did you say? Boop. There you go. And now we just delete these faces, right? So these two, actually these three. Dissolve. No, just delete the faces. No, not it. Face. There you go. Oh, and we need to fill. We don't need to fill it, right? Because we have the door. Look at that. God damn it. I absolutely dislike collections. Poop, poop, and pop. Like, look, we have a door. We just need to fix this wall. Poop. Like that. There you go. We have a door. Okay. Now we need to do it again for this wall. And let's try doing the depending on the engine and light quality things, light bleeding is a thing that later a problem to fix when needed. Okay. What causes light bleeding? It didn't copy the door. Do I need to select the entire thing? Like that? Stop it. Okay. Rotate it 90. Minus 90. Because I want the door needs to open up this way, right? If we look here, not this one, you see? The door opens this way towards the wall. So that's what we want. And now let's try it again. Center, edge center. So like that, like that. Like that. There you go. This is a resolution of the shadow map and angle of light. Things like that. Okay. I have no idea what that entails in that, but I hope it's not gonna happen. I hope it's not gonna happen. Okay, so we need the vertex, right? Boop. 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 And then grab these three. Ta-da! We have doors. Oh, it will happen. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, this project will be the trick is to deal with it. Well, thank you. This will be the first project where I think I will have to do very good lighting. I've never did like proper lighting in my previous games. And I think I will use. Why is it taking so long? Come on. I think I will use baking a lot. The hot cut of the wall was faster than a boolean. Yes, yes, it was. Well, actually, I don't think if that was faster. I guess it was faster. It's less destructive, that's for sure, I think. Because let's say if I want to move the door. Well, I don't know. Would you do the windows the same way? Using cut loops? Did it load? Yes, okay. So now, look at that. Now, oh, we need to change the pivot on the doors. Way better practice. Okay, okay. If that's the case, then I will make sure to do that. Bam! Look at that, we have a hole in the door. So instead of opening the doors like that, oh, okay. Yeah, I need to fix this. I need to fix the pivot on this door. Right now it's in the center. I need to put it on the side. So we can rotate it like that. Or we can do this. The door is open. And if we want to close the door, it's just. Now, if you only wanted to make a render, Boolean style setup make it quick to do small adjustments and such. But then the post Boolean mesh don't really matter. Yep. And then pulling it into a game engine, it does matter. Yeah, because the Boolean, the modifiers don't transfer to Unity, unfortunately. So. Okay, let's change the pivot. So do I want to pivot the pivot point to be lower corner or middle center? That's middle center, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So all we do is we select this. We do Shift S cursor to selected, and then origin to 3D cursor. No! Cut. The modifiers mostly transfer? Really? I tried transferring the Boolean to Unity. It didn't do much. Maybe I didn't do it properly though. What happened to you? Oh, you changed, right? Snap. There you go. So now let Unity compile this shit for like a year. And one. Okay, so now, hey Lex, how are you doing? Stop. Okay. Now, if we rotate this door, god damn it. There we go. If we rotate the door, it rotates like that, which is good. Sleepy. Well, I need to figure out. Oh, because doors are not in the middle. They're like towards one of the. and then you rotate it so it doesn't go inside the wall. Yeah, this is fine. This is not a realistic game, right? Whatever, this is good enough. Good enough. For me, the way I approach things like this is to make all the things that has more than one copy, like doors, windows, anything, be set up in other scenes using collection instances heavily. Doors or windows. Interesting. I'm not gonna leave a negative review based on the door checkers. I mean, you never know nowadays, these Steam users. Okay, let's call this the bathroom door. And this one, let's call it the study room door. Think of it as making things prefab as much as possible. Yeah, I know what you mean, but I'll look into it. I need to understand how it behaves. I will look into it. Thank you, Lex. Thank you. The master of Twitch. Look at these. That takes a bit of practice. I don't have time for practice. I don't want to practice. Look at this door. It just goes. Wait, how come? Oh, this changes the position. Oh, wait, where's the pivot? Good. There we go. That's what I was missing. Look at this. That's a crazy door. All right, let's do the forearm exercise. And then, what time is it? It's 4. We've been live for 3.5 hours. This is not a good time for me to stream because I'm hungry. Okay, we'll figure out something. All right, let's do the forearm exercise first, and then we get some cookies or yogurt. Also, I wrote my own editor tool for Unity, so I could make complex maps in Blender, batch export by collections, and then use the Unity tool to put everything together with a couple clicks. Nice. I don't export. I hate that. I just import the blend file. And whenever I do the change here, I save it, it automatically updates this. I know it's probably not the best part. It also adds a rotation to it, unnecessary rotation to it, but yeah, I find it better. I find it faster workflow. At the point where Unity won't like trying to auto import the full blend files. Oh, interesting. Well, if I get that issue, then you need to split things into different blend files. Start batch exporting. I see. I see. All right, let's do the form exercise. Form exercise. All right, you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Rotation is easy to fix. There is a fix to it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There you go. You know what I didn't do? There you go. Forgot to increase the forearm counter last time. All right. Yeah, I need a quick break. My blood sugar is dropping again. So let's do that. Let's take a quick 3-minute break. I will get some cookie and we will be right back. Oh, Manglo, the stairs. I learned how to do stairs real quick. I'm actually very proud of it. I actually saw a short about it, but it was very nice. I learned how to do stairs without doing like one by one, which is kind of very exciting for a newbie like me. I will teach you guys. All you do is you create a cube. You Control B. Yeah, you bevel it. You add as many segments as you want. You go to the custom thing and you say, ooh, I want steps. Ta-da! Then you can choose like the width you want and all of that. If you want more segments, you just do bloop. Ta-da! Very nice, very nice. If not for this, I would literally do them step by step. Like literally, by myself. Calculating each step, incrementing it one by one. Batch export by collection, you can set things up so collections are room by room. Say walls, doors, furniture, so on. Then batch export by collections will result in FBX file for each collection. Ooh, I need to look into that. As long as you ignore the massive shite topology on this side. I don't understand what's wrong with this topology. It looks pretty fine for me, to me. Well, I know. It should be squares or triangles rather even. But really build one step and just use the array modifier. And I thought I'm smart. Okay, let's take a quick 3-minute break before I die here. Because it's TOS to die on stream, so you know. But look at that, we have doors now. Right. Let's do. It's fine until it isn't. Right, I'll see you after the ad break in 3 minutes, maybe less. Let's do this. I'm gonna leave you with this clock. And then game engine tries to render that kind of topology and it results in massive shader artifacts. Okay.